Well, we're back at Richard and Sandra's elevator, and wanted to do a short video to show the progress that we've made. We are now ready to brick. We've been inspected and approved by the city to cover up and finish up. But here's our shaft, and we use the zip wall system. We have our brick ties in. We have everything tied in at the roof. We just extended the roof over. We're also doing cold joints on these bricks where we tie in because there's so much movement out here in the soil. We didn't want to lace the brick in. We're going to just kind of cold joint it like they do on a lot of these houses out here where they have inside corners come together. You can see that we used 2x6 studs for the framing, so we're going to have maximum insulation. You can see where we've run our plumbing out under the floor. We tied these drain lines in and pulled them out here. This is the inside. This is the old insulation that's here, but of course we'll have all new. Well, we've already insulated some of the inside. I didn't realize he'd already insulated the inside, so it's insulated. Now these two beams right here are called rail support, and what these things do is, this is actually what the elevator guy will hook his equipment up to actually allow the elevator to go up and down, and those go all the way to the top to the roof. Right now what we're doing is we're preparing to come inside and put in the door that's going to go right here, and the door that's going to go above it on the second floor. We've had the electrician out. He's moved stuff out of the way, and so we're ready to kind of go into the final phase of the framing and the roughing part. And once we have that done, we'll do another video and show you the insulation and the outside finish inside the house. If you enjoyed these videos, please like and follow me on YouTube, and listen to the radio show Saturday 9 to 11 on Facebook Live by liking Remodel Revolution Radio. It'll be right there.